This tutorial video will give you an overview of OfferingTree's features. What you'll notice is that on your home page, this is the publicly facing OfferingTree page that your clients or students can see. You'll notice that at the top right there is an admin sign-in button. If you click on this admin sign-in button, this will take you into the back end of your OfferingTree site where you can edit a lot of features, add new offerings, and I'll be able to describe that in a lot more detail in just a moment. But before I jump to that, I want to highlight some of the key features of your public-facing OfferingTree site. First, you'll notice that whatever offerings you have scheduled will automatically be listed in this upcoming events widget on the right-hand side. You'll also notice that whatever profile page image you've provided will show up in the upper left-hand corner, in addition to whatever name you use for registering for your OfferingTree site. You'll also see this follow button, and if a client or student clicks on this follow button, they can enter their name and email address and be automatically added to your contact database so that if you send out newsletters, they will receive whatever newsletters you send out. Finally, if you scroll to the bottom of your OfferingTree page, you will see all the various Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts that you may have linked to your OfferingTree site, and these provide quick access to other social media services that you might be using so that they're all linked in one space from your OfferingTree site. Finally, you'll see the contact field to the left where a student or client can enter their name, their email address, write you a message, and this will be sent directly to the email address that you use to register for your OfferingTree site. Also, when you reply to a message that you receive from a student that sends it via this contact form, it won't share your email address, so that it will route it through the OfferingTree system so that only the message will be sent, so that you can protect your email address if you'd rather not share it with your clients and students. Now let me take you into the administrative side of your OfferingTree account. So clicking on the admin sign-in in the upper right, enter your email address that you use to register with OfferingTree, enter your password, and if you forgot your password, then you can always use the forgot password feature at the bottom to reset your password for your account. Once you've signed into your OfferingTree account, you'll notice that the credentials in the upper right have changed. Now you can choose the drop-down menu and click on Manage Your Site. And once you click on Manage Your Site, you are brought to the Dashboard tab of the back end of your OfferingTree account. And this dashboard view is meant to give you a quick overview of the activity that's happening on your site and also relevant information that you might be interested in. So in this case, you can see the number of visitors that have visited your site, the total number of page views, and also the number of clients that have signed up for events. And in this case, it would be in the last 7 days, as that's the date range that's set. You also notice payments, and it will indicate whether the payment has been paid, if it's transferring to your account, or if it's actually been deposited to your account. You can change this view if you want to change it to 30 days. Just click on 30 days and it will display the activity over the last 30 days. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice that it gives you a quick view of all of the various offerings that you have scheduled and also the number of signups that you have. And this is a handy way to be able to get a quick glance at how many attendees, participants, students, clients that you have for whatever offerings you've scheduled. You also have the ability to schedule a new offering directly from this dashboard page by simply clicking on the Schedule an Offering button at the very bottom. If you want to see at a glance again what your public-facing website looks like, all you need to do is click on the Your Website tab. That will take you back to the front-facing version, public view of your page. And if you want to get back again to your dashboard or the back end, simply click on the drop-down menu in the top right, click on Manage Your Site, and you're back into the back end of your OfferingTree account. If you'd like to edit the home page of your OfferingTree site, you can click on the Home section, and you'll notice that you see a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And the first thing is that you can choose from a color schematic. If you want to choose from one of the preset ones, you can use any of the ones at the top, or you can set your own by choosing from a variety of options by clicking on each of the different color boxes to set your custom color palette. In order to make any edits to your home page, you'll see that you get little description icons that will tell you about each of the different sections, and the pencil icon indicates that you can edit it simply by clicking on it. So once you click on it, you'll see that you can upload a new image, or you can search for images from OfferingTree's stock database. You can also change text by editing the tagline, and you'll notice that OfferingTree allows you to make this text rich text. So simply by highlighting the text, you can make it title, bold, italicize, underline. You can make it into a hyperlink if you'd like to, or you can even add bulleted and numbered lists. And again, all you have to do is double click the text or highlight a section of text to be able to change that so that it's a rich text format. Once you've made whatever edits that you have finished, make sure that you hit done. And at the very bottom, you'll see an update homepage. If you hit that, it'll save the changes that you just made in this section, and you'll see that it's now reflected and updated on your homepage. For the other sections of your OfferingTree site, blog, pages, domains, offerings, schedule, roster, email marketing, and contacts, as well as subscription, client pages, profile, please see the corresponding help videos that go through each of these features. It's important to name that the main sections, for example, offering, allow you to schedule event series, schedule one-on-one bookings, as well as repeating classes that you may have on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In terms of email marketing, one of the main features here is that you are able to send out newsletters and see the statistics for who opened them and how many people clicked on the actual link. And the other feature that you can see is auto emailing. So you can set automatic emails to be sent out to clients as they sign up for your newsletter. So these are some of the very powerful features that you can learn about by looking at the corresponding tutorial videos for each of these different features within your OfferingTree site. The last piece that I'd like to highlight for you is at the very bottom. It's the help feature. So if you've looked through the tutorial videos, tried things out on your own, and you still have questions or something's not clear, you can click on the Help button, and it'll bring up two options for you. You can browse the help articles that we've provided for you, or you can contact us directly by clicking on the Contact Support button. So this gives you a short overview of the features that OfferingTree has, and we look forward to seeing all that you have to offer.